Hello, this is Sumit Krishna and welcome to IndiaDroneAcademy. Today, we will discuss about the future of construction site review and planning with drones. Gone are the days of manual site inspections. With the advent of drones, the entire construction industry has shifted their methods of handling the projects. Imagine having a bird's eye view of your construction site without visiting the location. Our high-resolution cameras capture every detail, helping you analyze the terrain, identify the potential challenges, and optimize your construction plan. And that is the power of construction site review and planning with drones. Drone-assisted approach is much faster, more accurate, and cost-effective when compared to traditional site review method. Our IndiaDroneAcademy not only offer courses that teach you how to use this technology for various applications, but also empower construction professionals with our drone services. From beginners to professionals, we have got courses for everyone. Join us and stay ahead. For more details, you can log on to our official website, IndiaDroneAcademy.com. And thanks for watching.